Welcome back to Beachside 365, your go-to channel for everything sun, sand, and sea. Today we're heading to the Atlantic Ocean, exploring the best pet-friendly beaches where your furry travel buddy can dig in the sand, chase the waves, and enjoy the ocean breeze. Let's dive into the top spots along America's eastern coast. Number 1, Wildwood Dog Beach, New Jersey. Wildwood is one of the East Coast's most famous dog-friendly beaches. It's easy to reach with parking nearby and a fenced dog park right on the sand. There are shaded areas, water fountains, and agility obstacles for energetic pups. Visit in the summer months, but come early in the morning for cooler air and fewer crowds. Number 2, Haulover Beach Park, Miami, Florida. Located just north of Miami Beach, Haulover is paradise for dogs. With plenty of parking and a separate off-leash zone, this beach offers calm surf, rent stations, and shady picnic spots. Dogs can roam off-leash between 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. daily. It's warm year-round, making it a great destination any season. Number 3, Bald Head Island, North Carolina. This hidden coastal gem welcomes dogs year-round. You'll need to take a short, pet-friendly ferry to reach the island, but it's worth it. 14 miles of beaches, quiet boardwalks, and forest trails await. Spring through fall offers ideal weather for long walks along the shore. Number 4, Jupiter Beach, Florida. Jupiter Beach has one of Florida's most popular off-leash zones, stretching over 2 miles. Parking is easy, and the calm waters make it perfect for swimming dogs. Visit in late spring or early fall to avoid extreme heat and enjoy peaceful mornings. Number 5, Bayview Beach, Maine. Up north in Saco, Maine, Bayview Beach is the perfect small-town escape for you and your pet. It's easy to access, has clean facilities, and allows dogs off-leash outside peak hours. Summer is best, though leash rules tighten during midday in July and August. Number 6, Crystal Coast, North Carolina. This stretch includes beaches like Atlantic Beach and Emerald Isle, all known for being pet-friendly. Access is simple via coastal highways, and you'll find restaurants, cafés, and public amenities nearby. Visit from late spring through early fall for mild weather and clear water. Number 7, Cape Hatteras National Seashore, Outer Banks, North Carolina. A true adventure for dog lovers, Cape Hatteras offers miles of open beaches where leashed dogs are welcome. Drive along the coast or take a ferry to explore its natural beauty. The best time to visit is late spring through early autumn when the water is warm and the skies are clear. Number 8, Sandy Hook, New Jersey. Sandy Hook's western beaches allow leashed dogs year-round outside of lifeguard zones. There are parking areas, restrooms, and stunning views of the New York skyline. It's ideal for quiet walks during spring and fall, away from the summer rush. From New England to Florida, the Atlantic coast is full of beaches that love dogs as much as you do. Always remember to follow local leash laws, pack fresh water, and clean up after your pet so everyone can enjoy these beautiful shores. If you love traveling with your dog, hit that like button, subscribe to Beachside 365, and ring the bell so you never miss a wave.